Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. We are the Just Gotta Knows, and I'm Stephanie. So today I am a little excited and a little scared because my last Thredup box came in. I ordered 4. I ordered 2 like in April, like the last week of April, and I got 2 more maybe like middle of May. Like those second 2 boxes have already come in. This is just the last box from my first order. So almost a month later. The shipping was fast. It took 2 days to get here. The processing, however, don't get me started. It took forever. So this box came from Arizona. So I'm a little like worried because my denim box from Arizona was like a major fail. The name brand purse from Arizona was decent, so I'm kind of worried about this box. Okay, so this box came in today, and usually I'm all about like washing it first before I like handle it, but I'm in a hurry. I have to do a lot of stuff today because I'm going out of town. My grandma's turning 90. So we're having a little small celebration for her, so I'm going to go back home to watch her turn 90. So I got to do this box, and I have hand sanitizer, so in case it's really gross. Anyways, this box is from Arizona, like I said, so I'm opening this baby. It's tissued, it has my receipt. I spent $60 on this baby plus shipping, so it came out to $65.99. Okay, and there's 25 items in here, so each item comes out to $2.63 or 64 cents because I'm gonna round up. So I hope that I get at least $60 back. So it comes with the polka dotted, and it's like all nicely folded in there. I see lots of different colors, so I'm just gonna grab this. Oh, that already smells weird. Well, okay. So we have this. What? How do you even use this? I guess it's like a fancy dress that has like all this, what is this called? I don't know how the hell I'm gonna sell this. I may just give this as a donation to somebody because the tag is Azazi, I don't know. The size, it doesn't give me a size. So annoying. Oh my god, just holding it is making my arm hurt. I'm so out of shape. I don't even know if this is sellable, but it looks stained right there, right? Do you see that? Yep, it has like a stain right in the front. Lame. So far, it's a great box. Next, we have this Express like pencil skirt. I mean, this is kind of cute actually. I may just keep this for me if I can fit into it too. Like if I ever needed to go to work. This is a decent skirt. So really quickly, this box is a mixed item. This on the description does not say that it's a DIY, like the denim says DIY. But I was watching this other girl that got a $300 designer box, and that one didn't say DIY either, and she got trash. And she called Thredup, and Thredup told her that it's like a DIY, that it's understood that if it's a rescue box, there will be some flaws. So, which is kind of like, this is a more expensive box. I don't understand why. Then say DIY on there. We won't buy it. Okay, so next I got some really fun like plaid black slacks. These are from Worthington and a size 6. These are nice work pants. So I mean, it looks dirty here. Like maybe it just needs to take a wash. I was gonna say it needs to take a shower. It just needs like to be washed. Ooh, I got something that's new with tags. So these are like a cropped pant, jean pant. The brand is by Cookie Johnson. These are the Marcy cropped. Guys, do y'all know what Cookie Johnson is? I don't know, but supposedly it's $156 crop pant. So, I mean, that's not bad that it came with the tag, right? But these are a size 25. Yeah, these are a size 25, which they look big. Like, they'll look like they run bigger than a 25. Okay, next we got this sunshine yellowish loft size 12 dress. I mean, it's a pretty color. It just looks like dingy. Okay, well, there's that. Next I got this like faux leather type of short. I mean, these are kind of edgy. They look kind of cool actually, but I don't know what brand they are because I don't see a tag. Seriously, you're not gonna give me any type of tag? So I can always provide measurements. It's just like I'm new to selling on Poshmark, so I don't really know what size things are. So I mean, I can provide measurements, yes, but like when I go to click on size, what do I put? I mean, this is between a small or an extra small. Okay, so next I got this windbreaker type of jacket that is Nike. I mean, this is a size small. The inside is lined. I mean, this is a good jacket. It even has a hoodie that you can like fold away and hide in the collar. This is cool. I think I'll be able to get something for this, like something good. Next we got this red jacket that looks very red on camera, but it's like darker in person. It is Coldwater Creek. Last box I got some shorts from Coldwater Creek. Never heard of it, but it's a size 12. This is actually a nice like work coat type of thing. Like the buttons are cool. I don't know if this is like woolly-ish. Let's see. This shell is acrylic and polyester. The lining is polyester. Okay, next we got some slacks. These are Worth size 14. These are just a nice long pair of black slacks. I mean, these are nice. They don't look to be torn or stained. Okay. This is Max Studio Specialty Products. I guess it's a size medium. It's like a dress. So I mean, I guess. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is like velvet. From Chico's, size 1. What does that mean, size 1? Is that like 1X? Size 1 fits all? This is not 1 fits all. Like, what does that mean? I don't shop at Chico's. Somebody help a girl out. I got a lot of stuff for work, like work environment. Another thing from Worthington, this is like a blazer, like a coat, like a blazer type of coat. The size is, I don't know. Well, it doesn't have a size, yay, but they have shoulder pads. Great for work. Next we have this, oh, this is cute. This is from, I can't understand. I don't know, guys, but it's a really cute shirt. I love these type of shirts. Like, I love stripes. Can you tell? This is cute. I kind of like it for me. It's a size large. I don't know what that brand is. It may be worth a lot. It may be worth nothing. Okay, next we have this pink button up from, this is like fishing gear. because the back says fishing gear on the tag, but oh, just kidding. It's from Colombia. It doesn't have the size because it seems to be missing. It looks small though, it looks like a small. Okay, next we have some more slacks. These are Hillary Radley. These are size 14. This is a nice print. The print is pretty. It's not like squares. These are nice. They look actually like they're new. Next we have some like Prana. What the heck is Prana? They're like legging, like a gaucho pant. They're very stretch. Yes. Okay, we're almost. Oh, I got something else that's new with tags. A Zara Basic. This is from Zara. It's a small. Whoa, this looks very big. So, what kind of a small is this? It's like, we got this from China. Do you see like the lettering? This is a US size small though. But it looks very big. Is this a dress? There is no way this is a small. I don't know what the heck. I mean, it's cool that it's new with tags, but that's big. Okay, next we have something else that's kind of new with tags. This is Texture and Thread from Madewell. This is a size large, and it has a tag, but there's no price. And it's kind of like a long sleeve, like, not crop, but it's like gonna hit right at the waist. This is a size large. Next we have a Free People skirt, size extra small. I don't know how I feel about this. It does look like the color is, dude, look, this is why this is so gross. Okay, not that, ugh, but like this. Ooh, I just can't. Why do people send, like, if I'm gonna send stuff to Thredup, I'm gonna wash it. And if it's in a goodie box, don't send dirty stuff back. That's gross. Okay, this is like from Mason Jewels. This is size medium. This is like a little dress. I mean, the bottom is cute. It's like a little summer, like we can just go out really quick. It's like very light. The print is cute. I don't know if this stuff is gonna sell, but I mean, as long as I get more than 2 whatever, if I can get $3 for each item, it's a win. Okay, these are White House Black Market. These are slacks with extremely wide legs. These are for short. These are not a short because I'm filming right now. They just look so big. But they do look like they are in good condition. Okay, we're almost done. We got a big jacket. It's like a coat. Actually, this is kind of nice because it looks pretty new. From Le Suit. It is a size 6. It has a little like belt. This looks new. The buttons are cute too. They're like big. Yeah, this is a good item. Okay, next we have this pretty colored shirt. It's like horizontal and then it's vertical so that you don't get bored by it. This is from the Limited. It's a size small. There looks to be like some type of like staining here. Okay, next we have this Walmart brand. It's Time and True. It's just a very simple but clean shirt. Like the ruffles give it a detail. This is a 2X size 20. I mean, this is not bad, guys. We're not gonna hate on the Walmart brand, because I've got some stuff from Walmart. Okay, next we got another Banana Republic. This is actually a cute dress. It's black, it has pleats. Like, if this fits me, I may keep it. Because this would be something that you can wear like to like a graduation or like a little nice get together or church. Like, dress this up with, I mean, black makes me look slimmer. I mean, this is a cute dress. I like it for me. Like, the pleating goes to the top too, not just at the bottom. This is a pretty dress. Ooh, I like it. Okay, I got a pair of jeans. These are Mauve. Have you guys heard of Mauve jeans before? I haven't. Guys, I'm not with the like name brands or the known brands. Like, you know where I get my jeans? Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix sends me jeans. Those are the jeans I've been using. I don't even know what size of jean this is because it doesn't tell me. These are, I don't know if that's a size, like a 28-30. I mean, they're a decent pair of jeans. They're not like the last box I got where they're crap. Okay, last thing in my box is this, I don't know, crop top type of thing. This is from Finders Keepers. It's a size medium. It's very like open in the back. It has like a ruffle. The material feels like weird, like spongy-ish. It's 100% nylon. I mean, it's a cool top that you can like go out in. But that's it for my box. So I got 25 items. The box cost $60 with $5.99 shipping. So each item is worth $2.64. So as long as I can get $3 per item, it's a win. Some of the stuff will probably not sell for very much because it's kind of just like, some stuff is pretty good. I got a lot of like work items. This box, what do we think? I think it was a good box. I don't really know much about name brands, but I think overall I can make a profit off of this box. Some stuff I kind of like for me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my Thredup unboxing. Will I get another Thredup? Maybe. They just haven't been like available, some of the other boxes. The mixed box is available, however, they may take long. Like, I waited a month for mine, so it just depends if you want to wait or not. A lot of the other, like the denim boxes, have not been available, so can't get those. Also, the only things that have been consistently available have been this type of box, the mixed box, and the scarf box, which I don't want to sell scarves. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.